Hello guys, welcome to Electronic Solutions. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest notifications. In today's video, I am going to explain basic logic gates. So let us first define what is the meaning of a logic gate. Logic gate is a digital circuit with one or more inputs but which gives only one output. As this is a digital circuit, it can have only one of the two possible states, that is either high or low. So we can say that it is a switching circuit that follows certain logical relationship between the input and the output voltages. Some commonly used logic gates are AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, NAND gate, NOR gate and XOR gate. The applications of the gates are in microcontrollers, microprocessors, electronic and electrical project circuits, and in embedded system applications. Each logic gate is indicated by a symbol. Next is a Boolean expression. Boolean expression is a mathematical statement which provides relationship between input and output. So every gate is represented by a different Boolean expression. The next important thing is a truth table. The truth table shows all possible combinations of input and corresponding output. All the logic gates can be analyzed by constructing the truth tables. Now let us see all the gates one by one. Now let us first consider the AND gate. The symbol for the AND gate is as shown. This is basically a two input AND gates where A and B represents two input terminals. The output of the AND gate is given by the Boolean expression y is equal to A dot B. Here this dot represents the logical multiplication. Now let us see the truth table for AND gate for the various possibilities of inputs. Now let us consider the first case where A is 0 and B is 0. So when A is 0 and B is 0, 0 ANDed with 0 will give you output equal to 0. When A is 0 and B is 1, 0 ANDed with 1 will give you output 0. Third case is when A is 1 and B is 0. So when A is 1 and B is 0, 1 ANDed with 0 will again result in 0. And the last case is when A is 1 and B is 1, it will result in output equal to 1. So we can say that output of the AND gate is high if both the inputs A and B are high. Now we'll go for the next gate, that is a OR gate. The Boolean expression of the OR gate is y is equal to A plus B. Here this plus sign represents the binary addition. Now let us discuss the truth table of OR gate. When A is 0 and B is 0, then 0 plus 0 will result in output 0. When A is 0 and B is 1, 0 plus 1 will result in an output 1. When A is 1 and B is 0, then 1 plus 0 will give you output 1. And when both are 1, then 1 plus 1 will result in output 1. As I have told you that this plus sign represents a binary addition, and in case of binary addition, 1 plus 1 always result in 1. So we can say that for OR gate, the output Y is 1 when either of the input A or B or both are 1. Now we'll go for the next gate, which is a NOT gate or inverter gate. This gate has only one input and one output. The input is given by A and the output is given by A bar, which represents the inverted version or the negation version of the input. So let us discuss the truth table for NOT gate. Here the input is only one and therefore there are only two possibilities of the input. So let us consider the first case when A is 0. So when A is 0, then the output Y is equal to A bar, that is complement of 0, which gives you 1. When A is 1, output Y is complement of 1, which is equal to 0. So we can say that for NOT gate, if the input is 0, output is 1 and vice versa. Now we'll go for the next gate, that is a NAND gate. The NAND represents not AND. So in the symbol also you can see that there is one bubble at the output of the AND gate which represents the inversion operation. Now this is a two input NAND gate. A and B represent the input and the Boolean expression is given by y is equal to A dot B bar. Now let us discuss the truth table for NAND gate. Let us discuss the first case when A is 0 and B is 0. When A is 0 and B is 0, 0 ANDed with 0 will result in 0, but complement of 0 will give you output 1. In second case, when A is 0 and B is 1, 0 ANDed with 1 will give you 0, but again the complement of 0 will result in output 1. Same is the case with when A is 1 and B is 0, we'll get the output equal to 1. But when both the inputs are 1, 1, that is 1 ANDed with 1 will always result in 1, but the complement of that will give you 0. So we can say that in NAND gate, the output is exactly opposite to that of the AND gate. Now we'll discuss NOR gate. NOR is again not OR. Again you will find one bubble at the output of the OR gate and the Boolean expression is represented by A plus B bar. Now let us see the truth table. Now let us consider the first case where A is 0 and B is 0. So output is 0 plus 0 will result in 0, but complement of 0 will give you 1. Second case is when A is 0 and B is 1. So 0 plus 1 will result in 1, but the complement of 1 will give you 0. Same is the third case. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1, but complement of 1 will give you 0. And the last case is when both A and B are 1, 1. So 1 plus 1 according to binary addition will result in 1, but again the complement of 1 will result in 0. So here for NOR gate we can say that the output is exactly opposite to that of the OR gate. Now we'll discuss the last gate which is called as an XOR gate or exclusive OR gate. So this is a symbol of two input exclusive OR gate and the Boolean expression is given by A XOR with B. Now in case of an XOR gate, it is a logic gate that gives a true value or output 1 when the number of true inputs is odd. Now let us see the truth table. Now in the truth table, we can see that when both the inputs are 0, 0, the output is 0. When both the inputs are 1, 1, the output is again 0 because in these both cases the number of ones is not odd. But in case of second and third case, one of the input is 1 and therefore it is giving you the output equal to 1. So for XOR gate, we can say that the output is high when either of the inputs A or B is high. So don't forget to like and share the video. Thank you. Thank you so much.